I eat food. Drink. I drink juice. Sleep. I sleep at night. Wake up. I wake up early. Walk. I walk to school. Run. I run fast. Read. I read a book. Write. I write my name. Talk. I talk to my friend. Listen. I listen to music. Brush. I brush my teeth. Wash. I wash my hands. Get dressed. I get dressed for school. Sit. I sit on a chair. Stand. I stand in line. Jump. I jump high. Sing. I sing a song. Dance. I dance happily. Smile. I smile every day. Laugh. I laugh a lot. Cry. I cry when I am sad. Clap. I clap my hands. Kick. I kick the ball. Throw. I throw the ball. Catch. I catch the ball. Climb. I climb the tree. Bend. I bend my knees. Stretch. I stretch my arms. Shake. I shake hands with my friend. Turn. I turn around. Wave. I wave to my friend. Point. I point at the board. Hold. I hold a pencil. Push. I push the door. Pull. I pull my bag. Draw. I draw a picture. Blink. I blink my eyes. Yawn. I yawn when I am sleepy. Shout. I shout when I am excited. Whisper. I whisper in class. Speak. I speak English. Ask. I ask a question. Answer. I answer my teacher. See. I see the sun. Look. I look at the board. Watch. I watch TV. Hear. I hear a bird. Smell. I smell the flowers. Touch. I touch my soft pillow. Cook. I cook with my mom. Open. I open the door. Close. I close the window. Play. I play with my toys. Skip. I skip in the park. Ride. I ride my bike. Jump rope. I jump rope outside. Hop. I hop like a rabbit. Tiptoe. I tiptoe quietly. Crawl. The baby crawls on the floor. Spin. I spin in a circle. Slide. I slide down the slide. Stomp. I stomp my feet. March. The soldiers march in a line. Snap. I snap my fingers. Fold. I fold the paper. Break. I break the chocolate bar. Mix. I mix the cake batter. Tie. I tie my shoelaces. Pick up. I pick up my bag. Frown. I frown when I am upset. Wink. I wink at my friend. Blow. I blow out my birthday candles. Sniff. I sniff the flowers. Lick. I lick my ice cream. Chew. I chew my food slowly. Sneeze. I sneeze when I have a cold. Yell. I yell when I am excited. Mumble. I mumble when I am sleepy. Argue. I argue with my brother. Explain. I explain my answer to the teacher. Announce. I announce the winner. Tell. I tell a funny joke. Describe. I describe my pet. Chat. I chat with my best friend. Glance. I glance at the clock. Stare. I stare at the rainbow. Peep. I peep through the window. Taste. I taste the sour lemon. Observe. I observe the ants moving. Feel. I feel the soft blanket. Sew. I sew my torn dress. Iron. I iron my clothes. Bake. I bake a cake with my mom. Water. I water the plants. Dust. I dust the shelves. Sweep. I sweep the floor. Mop. I mop the kitchen. Recycle. I recycle plastic bottles. Juggle. I juggle 3 balls. Dribble. I dribble the basketball.